Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to change the audio settings in Stellar Blade. Let's begin by opening the settings menu. Then navigate to the sound settings. Here you can choose a sound preset for speaker, headphones or automatic. You can change the controller speaker to on or off. Change the controller speaker volume from 0 to 100 and do so also for master volume, effects volume, music volume and voice volume. You can always turn on mute on focus loss to on or leave it turned off. And well, that's it. Thank you for watching and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.